What's up, Namblers? Follow me as we go over some essential keyboard settings to make for a better typing experience. I'll be using an S21 Ultra, but this can apply to most Samsung Galaxy devices out there. Alright, let's namble. Alright guys, here I'm going to share my essential keyboard and input settings that I think you'll like. Alright, first let's go to System Settings and then General Management. The first thing you may want to do is change the text-to-speech engine from the default Samsung engine to Google's engine, since it is more robust and sounds better. Then, go back to Autofill service. This service is used to save and autofill in forms, addresses, credit cards, usernames, and passwords. I like using Google's autofill service. After that's set up, go back to Samsung keyboard settings. You'll want to make sure that the following are enabled. Predictive text keyboard toolbar. Then go to size and adjust the size to your liking. Usually the tallest setting makes for a roomier keyboard, resulting in less typos. Then go back to layout and enable number keys and alternative characters. Next, go back to swipe, touch, and feedback near the bottom. Under swipe controls, you can choose swipe to type. For keyboard touch and hold delay, I find that short 200 milliseconds is perfect. For backspace speed, I highly recommend setting it to slow so that you don't backspace all your words when typing. For touch and hold spacebar, I recommend cursor control to move the cursor around when editing. Here you can see the settings in action, such as swipe to type, touch and hold to delay, backspace speed, and touch and hold spacebar for cursor control. For touch feedback, you can enable or disable sounds and vibrations if those annoy you. Keep in mind that vibrations slightly use up more battery. You want to make sure that character preview is enabled. Go back to more typing options and disable double tap space to add period if you don't use that. Auto capitalize is a useful feature, so I keep that on. Now for my favorite part, text shortcuts. This is where I create shortcuts for my frequently used phrases, as you can see here. Let's add a couple more that I use a lot, such as okay thanks and yes. This feature is a huge time saver. What's great about using the Samsung keyboard is that most of these built-in settings can be synced to your Samsung account, so that you don't have to set them up when you change devices. Be sure to enable this in account settings. Oh, and one more thing. Under keyboard list and default, I highly recommend enabling Google Voice typing and disabling Samsung voice input for a better talk-to-text experience. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my other video where we adjust the keyboard layout and add more shortcuts for a better typing experience and less typos. Have a fantastic day everyone. I'll see you in the next video.